How to change contact photo in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change your contact photo on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to change your contact photo on iPhone, open the contacts application, and then once you open the contacts application, just go to all contacts and just search for the contacts that maybe you want to change the poster of. And once you've done that, let's say this is the person that I want to maybe change the contact photo, I can just tap on contact photo and poster from here. And first of all, I can select this particular contact photo over here. So I can tap on edit, tap on customize. I want to customize whether the contact photo or the poster, because poster and contact photo both is different. So you want to contact photo, then you can select contact photo, and you can just select any of the other by selecting choose a different photo and selecting the one from your photos by tapping this photos icon here. Or if you want to actually go ahead and then select your contact poster again, then you can select contact poster, and then you should be able to go ahead and then basically use it all of this to your benefits over here. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically change the contact photo on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.